Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your working tree is clean. Commit or stash any local changes so you have a safe baseline. Next, fetch the remote refs with git fetch origin, then decide whether to merge or rebase. Use git merge origin/main to integrate or git rebase origin/main to replay commits. Once done, Git will stop at conflicts. This is deliberate. It forces you to inspect overlapping changes and decide which code should remain, so you avoid silently accepting incorrect edits. Now inspect conflicted files using git status and open the files to find conflict markers. You will see == and delineating versions. Manually edit each hunk to combine the correct logic or content and make sure tests or builds still pass locally. This prevents regressions. Once you've resolved a file, run git add file to mark it resolved. If you want tool assistance, run git merge a tool to launch a visual differ. Otherwise, continue editing and adding until no conflicts remain. With all files staged, complete the operation. Run git commit to finalize a merge or git rebase, continue to proceed with a rebase. Once done, run your test suite and inspect git log to confirm the final history and that your fixes are present. Make sure to push with git push origin head. If the remote rejects it after a rebase, force push with care. If things go wrong, you can abort with git rebase abort or recover previous state using git reflog and git reset hard safe commit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.